This is the Soundproof Windows sample window demonstration video. Here is the sample window. This window is designed to show multiple mounting styles and window options. Let's take a look at how to remove the panels and show some of the features of the window. First, we need to remove the counterbalances. Position the window with the counterbalances on the bottom . Take note as to which counterbalance is on which side of the window. Push the top panel all the way up. This releases the counterbalance. You want to swing it into the center and then remove it from the top. You can see the L portion goes towards the frame side with the spring towards the back. Then go ahead and repeat this process for the second counterbalance. Next, we want to position the window with the spring-loaded track on the top of the window with the front facing us. So the spring-loaded track is on the top. Push the panel towards the center. Then push the panel up into the top of the frame and then swing the bottom out and away from you. The panels are made from 1/4-inch laminated glass. We offer a few different thicknesses of glass and several window configurations. Then we want to repeat the same process for the second panel. Move it into the center, press the panel up, and swing it out from the bottom. Now we have just the frame of the sample window. This frame is designed to show 3 different mounting styles. 2 sides of the window have seals inside of the frame, so in here and in here. One side has a solid track seal, which is on the bottom at this point, and the other has the spring-loaded track. This seal allows the panels to seal, but also allows for easy installation and removal. There are 3 types of mounting styles that we can demonstrate with this sample window. The first is a flush mount, which is the corner without any fin on it. This mount sits inside the window opening and sits flush with the interior side of the wall. As you can see, inside the opening and flush. The second mounting style is a 4-sided surface mount, represented by this corner. This mount sits on the interior side of the wall and goes around the window opening. The third mounting style is a surface with sill. This mount is used where there is a sill on the bottom of the opening that protrudes out from the wall. The sides and top have the mounting fin and sit on the interior side of the wall, while the bottom sits on the sill that protrudes. Now let's reinstall the panels and review the different window models that the sample window details. Place the window on a solid surface with a spring-loaded track seal on the top and the back of the window facing away from you. Locate the panel that has the 2 holes on the bottom of the panel. This is the top panel for a single hung, or the right panel for the slider. So we want the rubber seal facing you and towards the center. We want to go ahead and place this in the rear track of the top track. Go ahead and press it up and into the frame and into the rear track on the bottom. Go ahead and slide this over. At this point, we want to reinstall the counterbalances. Position the window so that the rear of the window is facing you and that the panel with the holes on the bottom is at the top. Make sure to hold the top panel up in place. Push the top panel up into the top frame as far as it will go. The counterbalances have pins at the top of them. These pins fit into the holes on the bottom of the panel. The L side of the counterbalance goes towards the frame side, not the center of the window. So hold the counterbalance at approximately a 45-degree angle and insert the pin into the hole at the bottom of the panel. Now you want to align the bottom of the counterbalance with the top of the back frame. There's a notch in the bottom of the counterbalance. We want that to slide over the top of the frame. And then repeat this process for the second counterbalance. So once the counterbalances are in place, go ahead and pull the top panel down so that it puts a little pressure on them, the counterbalances, to keep them in place. So now we need to install the second panel. So we want the rear of the window facing away from you with the top panel at the top. So the bottom exterior side of the second panel has this ledge that catches on the hooks of the counterbalance. So we want to position this panel above the hooks on the counterbalance. And since that spring-loaded track seal is now on the left-hand side, we're going to go ahead and install this panel just above those hooks so that that ledge grabs. So we want to push the panel in on the left and swing the right side in. Now make sure that you're catching on the hooks on the counterbalance. You can feel the pressure once you pull it down. Go ahead and close the window. Now that the panels and counterbalances are reinstalled, we can review the different window models. Position the window on a solid surface so that the spring-loaded track seal is on top. So this now represents a 2-panel slider. You would want to remove the counterbalances if you were showing this as a slider, because they don't serve a purpose in this configuration. This model can be made with multiple panels, so 3, 4, 5 panels, depending on the customer's request. Now position the window on a solid surface, facing vertical. The spring-loaded track is on the left side, so this represents a single-hung window. Soundproof Windows offers many different styles of windows that match almost any configuration that you may have in your home or business. For more information, please visit www.soundproofwindows.com. Thank you.